Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that looks so tasty. Ah, whoa, it's really heavy. Okay, let's take the chocolate up here. And what we're gonna do is make some rocky road. Do you know what rocky road is? Really tasty. All right, so since that chocolate was really warm, we let this cool down just for a little bit. See? Here's some tasty chocolate that's just slightly cooler. All right, so we have some chocolate, and then we take some nuts. Looks pretty good. And then we also take some marshmallows. Let's put the marshmallows in first. And we mix them all up together. Whoa, okay, here we go. Whoa, look. Whoa, yep. You have to mix the chocolate and the marshmallows really good together. So then you see no white, you only see chocolate. We're almost there. Ooh, all right, looks pretty well mixed. Do you see that? Looks like chocolate covered marshmallows. All right, now we need to put the nuts in there. So let's sprinkle them in, stir it up. Okay, here we go, let's stir it up. Ooh, now that looks tasty. All right, so the next thing we have to do is take it out and put it on the table. It's gonna get really messy. So the first thing we should do is put on these really big gloves. Look how big these gloves are. They go all the way up my arm. Whoa! And then let's put on this other one. Okay. Whoa. I have 2 giant gloves on. 1, 2. And then let's put another set of these small gloves on. Now we are ready. Let's give it one last stir. Okay. Let's put the mixing spoon right over there. And what we're trying to make are really big logs that look like this. Do you see this? Whoa, that looks tasty. So let's take this, put it on the table, make it into a really long mound. Ready? Whoa! Ah, it feels so mushy, and it smells so tasty. There we go. Oh, this is so much fun. Okay, there's a little bit more. Okay. This is a bowl that I sure want to lick. Okay, a little bit more. All right, I think that's all of it. So, put that right there. And now I'm gonna shape it into a really long mountain type of shape that has a mound. Oh, does that look good or does that look good? All right, so now what we do is let it dry and then we enjoy. Good job. Check it out. Now that's what I call rocky road. Ooh, do you see what I'm doing? I am washing my hands, and I'm washing them really good because what I'm about to do requires me to use my hands. right, let's dry them off real quick. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, all right. Now my hands are really clean. So I'm gonna use my hands as thermometers. Do you know what thermometers are? Thermometers help you check the temperature. Come through here. Whoa. And the temperature of this chocolate that I'm gonna use is really important. And that's why I'm not using any gloves. So I can touch the chocolate and make sure the temperature is perfect. Do you see this chocolate right here? It's really warm. So let's take some and put it on the table. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. I'll put that right there. And then you spread it around, just like this. And what we're doing right here is making truffles. Whoa, she's really good. Go look. Wow, that's fascinating. See, I'm moving my hand around the chocolate to make sure it's the perfect temperature. All right, feels pretty perfect to me. So then with my left hand, I'm going to grab some of this peanut butter. And I'm gonna take some of this white stuff, put it right there, spread it around. Oh, I have to keep moving my right hand. It's pretty tricky. It's kind of like rubbing your belly and patting your head at the same time. Okay, let's see. It's really hard. And it feels so smooth. Okay, that's gonna be the closest I can get to it. See? Kind of looks like a perfectly round circle ball. Okay, let's put it in my hand. Boop. Oh, whoa! Okay, and then looks like I put it on this tray, just like what she's doing. And do a little swirl. Yeah. That looks pretty good. Let's make the next one a little bit bigger. All right. I'm not very good, but practice makes perfect. Okay, here we go. All right, throw it in my hand again. Boop. Ooh. All right, here we go. Whoa, that one has a lot of chocolate. Here we go. Oh, go watch her again. All right, I'll make one last one. There we go. Swirl it around. Put it right there. Let's squeeze some chocolate on top. Whoa! That looks like a tasty truffle. All right, now that I'm all done, let's go wash my hands again. Let's go over here. Okay. Whoa! All right, like I said, I'm all done. And those chocolates are gonna be so tasty. You know what other chocolate might be tasty? Yeah, I'm gonna lick the chocolate off my hands because I'm all done with the production of the truffles. And then I'll wash my hands immediately after. That was super tasty.